po lamang na nagpunta sa ano.
Yes! Taray! Yeah! So ako nandito sa labas. Ayan, may Henlin pala. Mga tamad maglakad. Oh, boom. Naliliyo ako dyan kapag naglalakad ako habang nandyan. Hello, hero. Huh? Lunch at the airport. 7-Eleven for the first food. JL. May nagpo-food trip na po sa airport. Okay, so nakatingin.
Kasi ang titingin.
Kain-kain. Food trip dito pa lang sa airport. Pablo. Go! Grabe sis. Namoses na ganda.
Nakikinig na po na ako. Ang gabi ang pinsan mo.
Yes po. Dinner at Not Today Coffee. Max. The lights. Oh, sexy. Arte. And then here's the other room. Wow, ilang araw kami? Parang, saan punta mo? Ang dami ah.
Grabe.
Jererere.
Tapos diretsos ko. Tapos
we're here na ulit at the place of the lechon. Hi.
nausok ko.
Wow.
Grabe.
Nausok pa. Wow. Ah, dali. Ay, may. Tikme. Ayun, sa RJ.
Wow, what's up?
Wow.
Grabe. Ito pa rin yung lasahan.
Oh, okay. Mainit. Almusal, lechon. Wow. Yari ang BP ni Rosa. Tigim ka lang ng konti. Breakfast at Karkar. Tinola.
Walang isda.
And lechon. Early in the morning. And pusit. Yeah. How's the food? Awesome. Wow. Yay! Ate, look. Look at the lechon. My God.
Hindi ko matikman yung talagang malutong na ano. Kamparte kaya na. Talagang malutong na ba?
Hi guys! Picture 1, 2. Here at Moalboal. Here at Moalboal.
Mura pati itong kay RJ. 99 lang ito. Oh.
Here at Moalboal. Yay!
So I found the strength to say it was harder than catching the moon. And when the words fell out, I saw the warmth filling the room. So I gathered the strength to lift it, and you picked it up and laid it down, and you picked me up and I am found. It's without a cause. Sometimes it's just because I think we found it. Oh yeah, we found it again. Oh, it never faded, 'cause you created. And then I found the spark in, whoa, the spark in you.
Watching the video from the GoPro.
The tourist.
The tourist. Nakatapos lang namin sa Buwal-Buwal. Nag-enjoy ang mga parentals sa Buwal-Buwal sardines and tsaka yung pawid. So ngayon, since exclusive tour kami, papunta na kami sa shop. Paglalas kami sa Means Larangan. So, hindi ko kaya dito.
May paklay ba? Tikman mo lang, tikman mo lang. Okay ah.
Okay, try. Video to. Try niyo yung larang. Ito yung larang.
Malia. Ito nagustuhan niyo yung dati. Ito lang. Pero kamatis lang daw yung ano niya. Ito.
Huwag natin yung kinamatisan.
Diba? Alam niya na. Okay.
Taste it.
So, everybody ordered the same thing. Blue Marlin. 165 with kanin na yan. San ka pa? Na, bebe. Love you.
Matagtag na ako ng rice.
Wait lang. We're here at the ruins of something.
Oh, every time I see you, 그대 눈을 볼 때면 자꾸 가슴이 또 설레어와 내 운명이죠.
Kakagising lang namin lahat. Kaya na siguro ano oras ko dumating mga 2, 3, something like that. Tapos ngayon lang kami nagising alas 6 para mag-dinner. So, dinner for tonight. Barbecue. Yeah.
Tapos isang hotdog malaki.
Malaki lang yun ng maliit.
Kasama dito ha.
Ano?
Gagawa doon ng ano. Ikot mo ma'am. Gagawa ko ng puso.
Ganun.
Bagong aning kaanin kumbaga. Para lang siyang kanin na malagkit na ano.
Lasa ng pulit. Wala pa suma na.
Dinner! Oh, smile na lang din kayo. Yes! Dinner here at Oslo. Barbecue na.
Yan ang ulam.
Mommy, that ice cream.
Food. Yummy. Wow. Makakain pa yata kami. Run. Buying something for tomorrow. Mami, oh. G. Good morning. Whale shark time. 3 a.m. call time. Good luck to us. We're here na. So early in the morning kasi sobrang dami daw tao. Kaming haba na nga ng pila, chef. Nandito na kami sa whale shark watching.
Handa na.
Wow.
Dan po.
Excuse me lang po. Wow. Baby ko, good morning. Hello, baby ko. Hi, vlog. Hi. Are you happy? We're at the beach? Yes. Nandiyan na yung mga whale shark. Ayan na yung mga bangkang sasakyan natin mamaya and then nandiyan na sila. The-breakfast na sila mamaya. It's a beautiful day. Thank you, Lord. Look at the crowd. So many. Nag-start ng pila ng 3 a.m. Okay, our turn. Guys! Yes! Hi! 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 Our turn! Turn to see the whale shark na, guys! Excited na ang lahat. We waited for hours for this. Hours. But it's gonna be worth it. Kakatuwa lang kasi last year nandito kami ni Han. And we're wishing nakasama si Daddy kasi may mga senior na nagkaano. Ngayon kasama na namin siya. Taray. Yehey. Okay. May kasama para tayo. Okay.
Para balance.
Wow.
May GoPro.
Hi, Daddy. Hi. Hi. Welcome. Woohoo. Look.
Daddy, tingin.
1, 2, 3. daw. Kinainan namin. Hi! Breakfast, guys! Wow! Tapos na sila. Yes!
Kasi malakas po yung current. Baka matatangay ko yung supply staycation. Kaya huwag lang po kayo na magpasok mga lifeguards na yan para maiiwasan po natin ang mga accident. Although may mga lifeguards doon na pwede natin pagtanungan kung saan yung safety na pagliliguan. Kaya sa resort po na to, bawal po tayong
On our way to Sumilon Island! Yay!
Okay. Pagbili niya sir. Lahat.
Skypad! First, before heading to our first destination sa aming tour at Sirao Garden. We're here na at Sirao pero magbe-breakfast muna kami. Breakfast here. Yay! Welcome to Sirao Garden. Yay!
So I found the strength to say it was harder than catching the moon. And when the words fell out, I saw the warmth filling the room. So I gathered the strength to lift it, and you picked it up and laid it down, and you picked me up and I am found. Oh, oh, oh. It's without a cause. Sometimes it's just because I think we found it.
Belly ang isang baguette. His favorite. Let's eat! Sir! Busog?
Open up the blinds, saw through. Open up my heart, you came through. Oh, oh, oh. It's without a cause. Sometimes it's just because I think we found it. Yeah, we found it again. It never fade out, 'cause you created. And then I found the spark in, whoa, the spark in you. It never fade out, 'cause you created. And then I found the spark in, whoa, the spark in you.
Sige, sige.
Lang mama.
Sige.
Tawag, ayoko ng text.
Having coffee? Oh no, it's a coffee. Drinks na lang here at 10,000 roses. Roses! Yeah. So, how's Cebu, guys? Oh, very good. Where to next, Hiro? Where? Where? Naku, to na.
Apir.
Ito.